Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice radical problem, and here we have 2x plus 6 square root minus 2x minus 5 square root is equal to 0, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I will move this term to the right hand side so that this expression will becomes 2x plus 6 square root is equals to 2x minus 5 square root, and after that we will take the square on both of the sides of this expression so that it will becomes 2x plus 6 square root and its whole square is equal to 2x minus 5 square root and its whole square. So this 2 is cancelled out by the square root, and here we get 2x plus 6 is equals to 2x minus 5. So after that we will rearrange these terms, and we will take all the terms involving x in the left hand side, and we move all the other terms to the right hand side, so that we move 2x to the left hand side and 6 to the right hand side, so that this expression will becomes 2x minus 2x is equals to minus 5, and when we take this 6 to the right hand side, so it will become minus 6. After that, here we have this minus and positive term is cancelled out by each other, and here we get 0, and in the right hand side we have minus 11. So here you focus that 0 is not equals to minus 11, so that we can say that it is not possible. And finally we say that the given radical equation has no solution. Okay, because here there is no any terms in the form of x, because all the terms involving x are cancelled out each other, and here we say that this radical problem has no solution. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.